Hey guys, I just finished up a little meal and thought I would do a quick tidy up before I get started with work today. So my goal is 30 minutes or less. I'm just gonna pick up the dining room, the kitchen. Yesterday after work, I put up curtains and did a few things. So my life is a little messy, and yeah, so I thought I'd take 30 minutes. It's about 7:15 right now. I start work at 8 and clean up my little abode. So I'm going to take the trash out, unload the dishwasher, pick up the kitchen, straighten and vacuum, and yeah, let's do this. I look funny with my hair like this. So I have my hair in a high ponytail. So anyway, let's get started cleaning. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the before and after together at the end of this video, and so we're just diving into my little speed cleaning, tidy up, cleaning motivation video. I am just kind of dusting everything off. I'm really not cleaning deeply. Everything's fairly clean already. It is very hairy. It does get dusty because we do live in the desert. This top that I'm wearing, I love. It's from Old Navy. I've never worn it with just, I don't know. In my mind, the back of this shirt looked completely different. I thought it was a little bit less see-through, and I also thought that it didn't go down as low as it does, so I almost scrapped this entire video because of my top. But, I mean, it's summertime. When I always wear one-piece swimsuits. It shows that much of my back or more. Anyway, I'm sorry if my top offends, but it's just my back, so. Oh, my high pony. It's so funny because I kept thinking that, like, when I wear my hair like this, it looks kind of like I have a mullet or something, but my shirt's really like the shirt form of a mullet, like business in the front, party in the back. So I'm just unloading and loading the dishwasher. I just always grab the silverware thing and take it over to the silverware drawer. I do also unload everything on top of the counter, so I always clean the counter before I unload the dishwasher because I'm going to be setting all of my stuff on it. So that, even if it's completely clean, and I know it is, it's just kind of like something I have to do. I have to like clean it off. So cleaning and tidying up is so important, and I did hang those curtains. I'm so upset. I thought that the window in the dining room and the sliding doors, I thought the top went to the same spot on the wall, but the sliding door is actually a few inches lower, so my curtains actually drag the floor just a tad. I'm so sad about that. So sad. I wish I would have rehung. So I had other curtains hung up over here, and I had to raise the bar up, and then I had to fill in the holes and do all the little things. So that's a lot of the stuff that was sitting on the countertop over on the dining room side was from that, and that's why I had the drill out and stuff. So I'm putting that drill up now. I just love my little puppies. They're so cute. And they had a ball out. I don't always let them have balls out, just because they go kind of crazy for balls. Like, they're obsessed. They like want to play catch continuously. Like that dog, is it Marley and Me? I don't know. There was some movie where the dog was like, your arm is gonna, not the dog, but the people were like, don't throw the ball. Don't throw the ball. It's kind of how it is in my house, except with my house, it's don't go to the drawer that houses the balls. And don't say OUTSIDE. So I tried to switch it up a little bit and do a little bit more different types of shots with this one. Not a ton, but just a little, trying to, this was just, I only had half an hour, so, but I really didn't have a full half an hour worth of tasks. I feel like instead of this relaxing music that I'm playing, I need to be playing like Willow with my head back and forth or something, the way that ponytail had to keep like, I think at one point I like did the whole, like, I was thinking of that song while I was walking around, so I like whipped my head all the way around. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it made me laugh, and when I laugh it makes the dogs happy, so that was good. That one little spot of the kitchen counters is always the last part that I clean. I don't know why, but it's like it's my catch-all. Oh, that was my little head, whatever. You can't, it was really fast, but it happened. I think Julio was gently trying to get me to throw that ball for him. He kept like picking it up and carrying it around as he was following me around. I love that baby. Both of them are so, so cute. We're gonna brush them in just a minute. Yeah, I probably wouldn't have gone outside in that top if I knew it was so. I bought a black tank at the same time, and that's what I usually wear. Oh, here it is. Julio loves to be brushed. Like, it is his favorite thing in the world. You'll see in a couple seconds I'm gonna try and brush Chipper. She's okay to come over and mess with him, but she does not like to be brushed. She does not like it at all. Look at his tail and his little foot. She is such a little sister. Always messing with her big brother. Yeah, so she's like, lets me brush her for like 2 seconds, and then she's like, I'll give you kisses if you stop. Okay, I'm done. And Julio's like, brush my butt. Brush my butt. You know you want to. Oh, look, I'm coming close. You can brush my butt. Oh, they're so funny. So brushing them, I should have done that before I vacuumed. I didn't think about it, and then I get hair everywhere, so that was my last task. All done. So this is the before. I tidied up with my little speed. This was before my little speed cleaning session. See all my junk everywhere. That super full trash can. is kind of, I was trying to show you guys the hair, but it kind of is going really fast. I don't know why I always feel the need to like really show you all the hair, but it's just, I think it just amazes me every time I see all of their hair that just is everywhere. German Shepherds struggle in El Paso heat, that's for sure. I'm saving that rug to redecorate the front door area. I want to go like super patriotic for, I think I may have already mentioned that in a video, so I'm very excited about it. I'm gonna let them out real quick. And here is the little living room. I generally leave that little TV stand out. I guess it's more of like a table and less of a TV stand, but what is? And I always leave those boots out. I know I've said that in a decorate with me before, but my husband's boots that he left out, I've just left them out the entire time. It makes me think of him. And then I love our kitchen. So that's gonna wrap up this little video. I'm like a little sweaty. What a way to start work. It was hot outside when I took the trash out, and then brushing these guys, y'all saw that was quite the little adventure. Anyway, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I have 3 minutes to fix a drink and get upstairs. So at least I know when I come down for lunch, I've got my meal prepped. They're in the fridge. It's nice and clean. Just take it out, pop it in the microwave, and I'm good to go. If you enjoyed watching my little tidy up, speed clean, motivational cleaning video, go ahead and hit the likes up button. Is that a thing? Likes up, hit the like button. And if you'd like to follow along for future cleaning motivation videos or my weight loss vlogs or any of the videos that I do, click subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.